Hello friends, in this video we will be discussing about two important concepts, that is the interlink or the interdependence between economy and environment. The economy is broadly divided into two sectors, the production sector and consumption sector. The goods and services from the production sector will go to the consumption sector, and the factors of production will also takes into picture. The labor is being supplied by the consumption sector to the production sector. So, there is a close linkage between environment and ecology. The environment and ecology is more or less the same concept. The economy derives the natural resources and minerals from the environment for the production of various goods and services. On the one hand, the environment acts as a supplier to the economy because it gives all the raw materials, the natural resources, the land, water resources, minerals, fossil fuels, everything is being supplied by the environment. On the other hand, environment acts as a receptor or sink. Whatever be the waste or byproducts generated from the production sector is being absorbed by the environment. The increased economic activities will affect the environment in such a way that sometimes it leads to degeneration of the environment. So, all our economic activities must be regulated. It must be environment friendly in nature. For example, water pollution. If we continue to pollute our water resources, at a point the marine resources or the fishes and all the algae which is present in the water bodies will not get sufficient amount of oxygen, because the oxygen is being used for degeneration of the products, waste products. So, when this oxygen amount present in the water level decreases or declines, that affects the fish and other marine products which is present in that water body. It affects the plants, aquatic plants in the waters also. So, at a point this will lead to extinction of certain species from the environment. In the long term, it affects the fishery resources and there will not be any resources that is left for us to use. So, environment and ecology is interlinked. We must understand that without this environment we cannot survive. Our all economic activities are depend upon the environment. So, we must understand the balance between different cycles and we must not disturb the balance of the environment for a sustainable future. The next topic that we are going to discuss today is the importance of biodiversity. What do you mean by biodiversity? It refers to the diversity of species in the ecology. Why this biodiversity is important? First of all, it maintains the balance, ecological balance. It maintains the different biochemical cycles in the environment. One species is depend upon other species also. Extinction of one species will lead to the destruction of the whole cycle, whole system. So, we must balance the ecology. Next is health. More diverse species means the less chance of transmission of deadly diseases to the humans. If species are less, easily the diseases will affect the humans and spread very quickly. The medical tourism, the outdoor tourism all depends upon the ecology. Next is food varieties. Ecological diversity, biodiversity provides different kinds of food materials. It provides different kinds of natural resources. So, our food supply is also depends upon the biodiversity. Next, we will go to the nutritional part. How it is enhancing the genetic variation, hybrid genetic varieties can be created from using the biodiversity. The genes from high yielding varieties can be taken and this can be introduced into food crops, that is called genetically modified crops can be created. That will be more pest resistant, more drought tolerant and that will yield high production. So, these are some of the important benefits of biodiversity. So, today's session we understood the importance of environment and the benefits of biodiversity. I hope all of you understood this session very clearly. Thank you so much for listening. If you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up and do recommend this educational channel to your friends also. Once again, thank you so much for listening. Stay safe and study hard. Be aware of the next variant of corona, that is Omicron. Stay safe. Thank you.